1 minute.
سلام واشد که یکی دیگه چه بلوچی ویدیو هم چه گیم پلی مدرن وارفر پارت سینیم و قصت کمپینشون داستانی بریم که ویدیو کمپین میکنیم لگترداشون بگه
30 seconds. Right, full altitude at 2000 ATL. Coming close. That's how we did. Roger up at a rally point.
گیمای بهتر گیمپلی های بهتر میتونم اشتراک کلی میشونم بهتر اگر ندیم بریم یه پارت هم بریم.
Stand by. Go.
Oh, جان ادالتا راکتور مرله راکتور نامی
Watcher 1 to Bravo, ISR is overhead. Be advised, Coney has 3 helos on the ground, locations marked with orange smoke.
Extract points for the nuclear material.
Affirmative. These helos are your primary targets. Destroy them and we can keep this truck contained.
Roger. Moving to Overwatch.
Ghost, are you picking up radiation smokes?
Negative.
The دوائی سامی اردی
Should be safe to use explosives on them.
Copy.
هیلو یه هلیکوپتر هم باید بزنم ترکیه
All Bravo, maintain the initiative, only go loud if you have to.
No promises, Watcher.
سر چیزی من گیرد
6 minutes on your cargo.
Watch out, I'm sending mortar coordinates.
Copy,
Eso
step by
pedala.
artillery.
All stations, first helos down.
Solid work. Move to the next target. 6, JLTV's approaching the area.
Going loud.
اوه بگه پیدا آگه برنی بیا
Boss, Coney reinforcements heading your way.
Captain, still not picking up any radiation. Johnny, Garrick, anything? Negative. Neither is Coney.
If there's no radioactive material, what's Coney after?
Stay on it, find out.
Captain, spotted a pallet at the fire station. Could be useful.
بودش
Принято.
Tons of Coney on target.
Makarov's got plenty of ultranationalists in his rank.
Enough to start a war. All stations, no pops on radiation. Everything's in this right place.
Copy 7-1, stay out of sight and keep checking.
Rog, we're all over it.
Another one close.
Они не могли уйти далеко. Хана тебе! Рядом со мной, рядом со мной! Видишь их? Помощь!
Принято! Иду в атаку! Не вижу! Где? Целим на...
بیتر تو آره بزنم بله تیر جا بله که بیتی من
Иду вперед, вижу цель!
Still in the clear.
Here we go. Requesting vehicle. Position marked.
Mark required 6. Package sent. Stay quiet, Captain. They're searching for you.
Taking enemy JLTV.
برو بریم
Sentry turret here.
Search and destroy. Fire and forget.
تو بیاین برزنی. آها.
They're closing on you, Captain. Defend yourself.
این داکنه که توی ما.
We're on their right now.
Bravo, be advised. Coney Burrs approaching with reinforcements.
Enemy helos going down.
इसको पता
Three helos down.
Copy 6, one target to go. Let's keep Coney on the ground.
More Corny headed your way.
अब कंपेयर नहीं दिखा
Multiple Cody near that helo.
Copy, I'm on it.
Bravo 6, be advised. Coney armored helo is overhead.
तीर तो कब्रो
07, any change in radiation?
Negative, Watcher. Doesn't really should be the reactor by now. That was off. Doors are sealed.
Let's keep it that way.
अच्छा खबर है इधर सामने नियाज सामने हाँ
Sam turret set.
Should knock that helo out of the sky. Think you lost the attack, helo Price.
what the نامرد چیزی از چطگانی از می پشتا چه
John got a mounted MG coming your way on an armored vehicle.
سیمی چیزا تکن بله یه شیر ری جوڑے میں تک ویل نہ تو والا آئیو تاک دیگه یار ايش بالاخر تركيزه
Bird down, Price. Nice one.
Sentry deployed.
Okay, Captain, get out of there.
Helo's almost done.
نرفتم و هیچ کدام
Supply drops are on target. Gear's available when you need it, Bravo.
Copy, Watcher.
Nice work. Whatever Coney's after stays on the ground. Be advised, Bravo 6. Coney has entered the reactor. You need to get down there.
Move into the
Kachare naam
reactor.
ne
Still in
se Coney.
contact.
Copy that. All Bravo, collapse on the reactor now.
شوهر بجا بجا آفرین بجا
Sending a bomb drone.
بوم درون بل کسی نیه ده بوم درون ماشي شنو تركي لا غير تركي خبرين كي نيچر كوجا بدردي
Bravo 6, look for an entrance to the reactor. Check rooftops and outposts near
reactor
the central
بدرم
building.
بچا ممكن ايدما چرا دیگه نشه تو که چیه شر چیز ممكن بودیم چون چی گدنا نه برین داخل نگاه خب اوکی بتیرم گرم دیگه شرطره تو پنگی در بیاد کشی جای شر سنایپر نه دیگه لازم فکر نکنم ببین تو کروگه سنایپر شر دو اوکی سنایپر دوربین وش نہیں Escúchame, tu topanga chiqui, ya está porque me topanga no hay gente. Eda burada mı belki? Haberin diyema çağırın bari çok haberin. Kuşak bege darap açsam. İyi işte tacı ya bandı ko.
You've got an enemy helo overhead. Is that the reactor? Deployed rope. Five something. I'm bringing in secondary extraction. We have to stop them now.
Acha.
Stations Connie's extracting canisters from the rear.
Negative. Full Bravo. Put fire on that helo. Bring it down. Rapid. Engaging. All stations, Coney's extracting chemical weapons.
Tony taking the gas out on that helo. We're gonna lose them.
Acha gaz içi.
On it goes. Stand by.
This is 6.
Morta.
Reactor's sealed. I'm locked in.
ISR
She can
now
either.
entering the reactor.
Take cover. We're moving your way.
I'm exposed up here. I need to move.
Tony wants to ask the little thing.
Yeah, but I can't stay up here.
Take cover, Captain.
There's no cover up here.
Power vaganam neydi?
Exposed up here. I need to move. I can't stay up here. There's no cover. All stations, ground floor is compromised. I'm holding on the first deck.
We're in that room. Grab the rope.
Vuru bacha vuru. यार रात रे सोच के गम
Grab my hand. Got it.
क्या
Stay with us, son. Come. Come. Stay with us, sir.
6-2 to watch out, we need medevac now.
radyoaktive yaptı.
Morning, sir.
Take it easy, Cap. You beat the gas, but you still need some time to recover.
I'm fine.
Got a headache? Nausea?
Gaz kuştu gaza yaptı. Reaktörüne bitti.
He's good.
Was worried your face was gonna melt off like those other poor bastards.
You ask me, it'd be an improvement.
Coney got away with the chemicals.
Affirmative.
Makarov has been out of prison for 6 hours and he's already ahead of us.
The fuck is in that gas?
Remnants of Barkov's program.
Sir,
Highly concentrated, far more lethal.
One pod contaminated the whole area.
they made off with enough to kill a whole country.
Right now, he's in Farrow's backyard. We've got to find her.
Laswell, it was chemical weapons. Makarov has highly concentrated sarin gas.
Did you secure it?
Negative. Captain almost died trying.
Where is he?
अब ये पार्ट था हमदा तमाम ही कने
Attract fire missiles to an abandoned bunker
बादी
complex.
बिमानी पर पार्ट थे बाद न लोटे थी बास टूलानी भी
So this Pharaoh
अब इसी अंदर
was as
तमाम करता
coding
वीडियो
inside
बादी
of
फैला
multiple missiles.
Exactly.